Meaning of duffer.
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 Duffer. Duffer is a term commonly used to describe a person who is incompetent or unskilled in a particular activity. It can also refer to someone who is foolish or clumsy. This term is often applied to golfers who have poor skills on the green. In broader use, it may refer to anyone who lacks the necessary abilities or knowledge to perform a given task effectively. It is considered a derogatory term and should be used with caution to avoid offending others. Overall, duffer denotes someone who is inept or powerless in their endeavors.